Hello everyone, my name is Devya Shah. I am a second year law student from Institute of Law Nirma University, and I am also an intern at ubAdvocate under the guidance of Jeevan Prakash sir. Today the topic which I would be like to be concerned about and would like to explain the knowledges would be on the indemnity law. So indemnity law in itself is a very complex topic to be understand, but a particular subset can be understood in an easy way, and it is also a need to understand this particular subset, which would be called as credit default swap. But what is credit default swap? Particularly to understand credit default swap, it is important to understand what corporate bonds are. So basically, corporate bonds work like this. If there is a company X and they want to raise 1,000 rupees into their company, they would go to the market and ask the people that invest 1,000 rupees into my company for 10 years period of time, and at that particular interval of 10 years you will get 7% yield, or we can also say a 7% interest. So a retail investor shall go and invest that money and get the corporate bond certificate. So what that corporate bond certificate means? Corporate bond certificates are basically the guarantee that the company gives to the retail investors that their investment is safe into our company and acknowledge that particular stance. After 1 2 years, if you think that your particular investment might be in threat, or that company is making a loss and you are scared about your investments, then what should a particular person do? Your money has always already been invested, and now the opportunities are being very reluctant towards you. At that particular moment, the CDS seller comes into place. CDS again, which would mean credit default swap. But what does a credit default swap seller does? So a CDS seller shall take the premium from you and give you a coverage. And what is this coverage about? It is a coverage for the risks that they would be taking for the corporate bond. In simple terms, I would like to say CDS seller shall take the premium to cover your risk. In case the company is not able to make payment to you or return the corporate bonds that they have acknowledged in the particular sense when they were issuing the certificate, then when that bond are not been received back by you in that particular interval, then the CDS seller shall pay you the amount covered in the contract. By this way, you will be able to secure your particular investment in the best sense. So, credit default swap just means that you are just giving the premium to a CDS seller and shifting the risk of the investment from your side to the CDS seller. In case the company does not is able to pay the particular premium, and the company is also able to pay the dividend yield at the particular end of 10 years contract, then the CDS seller is liable to pay you nothing. They would take the premium as profit. So this is the concept of credit default swap. Thank you.